Are you ready to crush this challenge? Think you can get a perfect score? Grab a pencil, pause if you need, and let's dive right in. Ready, set, go. What fraction of a pizza is one slice if the pizza is cut into 2 equal parts? It's A, 1/2. The pizza is divided into 2 equal parts, so each part is 1/2, which is half. What fraction of a cake is 1 piece if the cake is divided into 4 equal parts? It's C, 1/4. The cake is divided into 4 equal parts, so each piece is 1/4, which is 1/4. How many parts are colored? It's B, 1/3. The rectangle is divided into 3 equal parts, and 1 part is colored. If you circle half of the stars from the group of 10 stars, how many stars are in the circle? It's C, 5 stars. Half of 10 stars is 5. Shade 1/4 of the squares in this group of 8 squares. How many squares are shaded? It's B, 2 squares. 1/4 of 8 squares is 2. What fraction does this shaded part represent if a shape is split into 6 equal parts and 2 are shaded? It's A, 2/6. 2 parts out of 6 are shaded, so the fraction is 2/6. Which is bigger, 1/2 or 1/3? It's C, 1/2. When divided into halves, each part is larger than thirds. What fraction of an hour is 30 minutes? It's A, half. An hour is 60 minutes. Half of 60 is 30. So 30 minutes is half of an hour. How many thirds make a whole? It's B, 3. It takes 3 parts of 1/3 to make a whole. What fraction of the apples are red if there are 3 red apples and 9 apples in total? It's C, 3/9. 3 out of 9 apples are red, so the fraction is 3/9, which is 3/9. How many quarters are needed to make a whole? It's C, 4. 4 quarters make up 1 whole. If a pie is cut into 8 equal pieces and you eat 2, what fraction of the pie is left? It's A, 6/8. 6 out of 8 pieces are left, which is 6/8 of the pie. What fraction of 12 is 3? It's B, 1/4. 3 is a quarter of 12, because 12 divided by 4 is 3. If 1/5 of the students are wearing red shirts, and there are 10 students, how many are wearing red shirts? It's A, 2. 1/5 of 10 is 2, because 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Fantastic job, Superstar! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun math challenges. Thanks for playing, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.